burya abahungu
Men or boys
baba influence.
are easily influenced.
Yego nshobora kuba ndironge cyangwa ndi right.
By the way, I could be wrong or right.
Iyo umuhungu bari mu relation umukobwa kuzakora ubukwe cyangwa se kuzabana.
When a young man and a young woman are engaged to get married,
uzi umuntu utangira gucokoza undi.
do you know who starts the fight?
Umuhungu araza ubwa mbere bakunda nyine barakijwe sereye sagomba kucyuka tuzabana n'isho. Umuhungu akagenda umukobwa akamwandikira niba ari kujya wansezeye ubutaha ntituzabonane uko gusezera kwa nyuko.
And the young man will meet the girl and leave and say, my sister in Christ, may God bless you. And then the girl will write a text message and say,
Bakobwa ndabeshe.
if that's how you say goodbye to me, do not greet me next time.
SMS.
She will send an SMS, a WhatsApp message.
Agashiraho n'utuntu tw'umuntu urira kijana.
And she will add crying emojis.
Ngo nukuri.
Truthfully.
Ayandika icyongereza. I'm very worried with your relationship. Ngo ntangiye kwibaza ibi bintu.
I am wondering about our relationship.
Ngo niba ari kuri abasezera.
If that's how you say goodbye,
nukuri twabihagarika.
I think we should stop our relationship.
Umuhungu innocent ngo kubera iki sheri.
And the young man innocent will ask, why?
Ngo ndiwongere kumvugisha nya agahita afunga telefone.
Do not talk to me again, and she will switch off her phone.
Umuhungu telefone nimero compose.
The young man will call and the phone is off.
Asi umwana w'umuhungu.
So the young man
gacha yazinduka iwawe mu gitondo.
goes to the girl's house in the morning.
Akanga kumuramutsa kandi ari iwabo amusanze iwawe yanze kumuramutsa.
He finds her at her home and she refuses to greet him.
Akaramutsa nyina n'abandi aho ngaho.
He greets the mother, the father, or other family
Agahita ajya mu
relatives.
cyumba.
She goes to the room.
Akomeza akisohora akiyinjiza.
She comes and goes.
Umuhungu akabate Lydia nagushakaga tuvugane gatoya. Ntabwo ari wowe.
It's not you, Lydia. Do we have a Lydia here? It's another Lydia.
Ndavuga Lydia w'Itiyatira muri Bibiliya.
Lydia of Thyatira in the Bible. I wanted to talk to you.
Ntabwo ari Lydia wazayo. Ndavuga Lydia w'Itiyatira.
I'm talking about Lydia of Thyatira in the book of Revelation.
Noneho umukobwa akaza.
She comes
Yarakaye.
very angry.
Sheri sava.
Darling, how are you?
Sava.
It's okay.
Niki.
What happened?
Akongera ntacyo.
Nothing.
Hari message baronyandikiye.
You sent me a
Message
message.
iyihe?
What?
Arashaka ngo abanza mukoroge mu mutwe namubwira ngo nsoma hita soma namubwira ngo mpobera hita home kuko arashaka amahoro. Mwabakobwa mutubabarire muduhera abana amahoro.
She wants to complicate him to the point that when she asks for a kiss, he will kiss her right away for the sake of peace. Our young daughters here, please give peace to our sons.
Nimwe muza mutangira ibintu.
You're the ones who
Wamara
start things.
gushyushya umubiri we.
And once you heat his body up,
agakenera gufungura.
and he wants to eat.
Oya nukuri ayi baturakishijwe rega. Mukijijwe ari watangiye soma giruti. Kuki muza mubesha? Mureke kubindyarya.
Stop being a hypocrite. If he asks for more than the kiss you've
Kuko
been looking
abahungu
for,
bodeje uba wamwakije.
because for the men, you've set him off.
Ibindi mwe mubitera.
You start these problems.
Nangiriza ku bahungu namwe kamwe.
Let me conclude with the boys. Just one. Sons.
Ukunda umukobwa hano mu rusengero yakwanga ukamuteza abandi umwana akava mu rusengero. Mwabahungu mwe namwe. Umuntu yakwanze shima Imana ushaka undi. Tuzakomeza uwakubenze gukomeza umubuza amahoro.
You love a girl here in church, but if she refuses to have a relationship with you, you cause a commotion around her. You slander her until she leaves the church. Why? If she refused, move on, get someone else.
umukobwa atagukunze kuki ushaka kwihambira ku muntu utagukunda?
If she doesn't love you, why do you have to make it a fight?
Nubwira umukobwa ngo ndashaka ko akavuga ati vraiment ndundi hitubivamo kuki ushaka gutsindagira guhadika umuntu ngo akwinjire mu mutima kumva.
If you tell a girl that I love you and she tells you I don't feel anything, move on. Why do you have to make it a force, a fight? Why do you
undi wese bakundanye ugacinya mukamusebya?
And if she finds a relationship with someone else, you slander her to the next guy.
Abahungu na
Young men,
niba mutazi gusenga ngo Imana ibereka abagore mureke kwirwa mutoteza abakobwa.
if you don't know how to pray so that God shows you your spouse, your future spouse,
Stop iyo
move
mikino,
on.
stop.
Stop those games.
Gutoteza abakobwa yakwanze empointre turi mwiza kuri we urashaka iki? C'est tout. Yeah. Cyangwa ndi muhuje ariko ufite uwundi muhuza. Shaka Imana iguhe muhuje umuntu yakubwira ati singukunda. Turi frere ase na Kristo. Wishakisha ibyo kurongora ngo ufata nka musaza wanjye. Wanagendera muri iyo relation yamushikiwe na musaza we. Ariko rero gukomeza umbere umugore ntagushaka. Why do you insist? Abakobwa siko babamereye. Nibyo